So today we will be unboxing this portable power station. It is very, it have weight and it is packaged and designed beautifully. You understand when we got this because of the hurricane that passed, left us without electricity, so we had to find alternative power sources. So yeah, this is the GRECELL 40-watt sun panel, and the solar panel is what we use to get the battery and the power source charge. It comes with also the plugins, so you can get the output from the battery itself. And this is the actual power station. Yeah, it comes with multiple different outputs, USB, type C, voltage, amps, watts, even normal current that you get from the house. Yeah, and it is very user friendly, very functional. It has the digital monitor. You can see everything right here. I'm going to be rolling out the solar panel. The solar panel comes with that plug right there that you plug inside of the battery, and it starts charging. As simple and as easy as that. This is very durable, high quality. You can actually feel the quality. It's premium quality in your hands, you understand me? And it is just great, something good to have if you have an emergency, if you are a person who like the outdoors, going on hikes. Here it is. It's a 6-panel solar panel. Beautiful. So yeah, this is me now having it in the sun, showing you how it works. And it has 4 holes at the side, so you can hang it up somewhere, tie it up somewhere. And yeah, as simple as this. You plug it in and immediately it comes on, and that is how it's charging. You see it there on the monitor.